Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We're on a 5-room cleaning here in the Duncannon area. So we have a room here. All right. Over here. You can see we have some traffic area right here and also on the stairs. So we're going to get those really good. A little traffic area in here.
And you may also be eligible to get up to $148 added back to your Social Security check.
Time. Then we have the downstairs. You see there's a little bit of gray here. We're gonna get that up. And the living room. Okay. All right, so we have all of upstairs done, the hallway here, the other room, and here's the dirty water. That's where we all pulled up. I would say we always use clean water. Clean water goes in, dirty water comes out. No gimmicks here. Color difference there. All right, hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We're finished with the 5-bedroom general cleaning. We also put the deodorizer down, so excuse the footprints you'll see on here. That's just from us walking on it, putting the deodorizer down. As you can see, these floors turned out great. Smells good. There's a pet. The cat actually scared me. It was sitting on the bed and I didn't notice it. It just like popped up. I was like, whoa. In the area here, this came up, it was way darker. I didn't want to show the customer this spot here. It would not come up all the way. To avoid that from happening, you have to get your carpets cleaned every 6 months. She told me it's been a year, so if we would have been in here 6 months, we could have saved that. Same thing with the stairs as well. It got lighter in color, but not fully all the way out. As you've seen in the video before, you can see the dirt coming out of the carpet, so we are really pulling the dirt out and getting it out here. You see the difference in color just in this area here. Clean this part, still have to do that part. You can see it's just coming right up, how light it is. And we already finished this room here. We finished this room here, so we're all done. And stay tuned for the next cleaning.